Flashforge Adventurer 5M. If you want an amazing printer at an amazing price, then I just have a few words for you. Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Well, there is also a Pro version, which is quite similar. But the great thing about this printer is that it offers all the features of a Pro printer for a fraction of the price. It is fast, extremely accurate, and trouble-free. With just one touch, you can achieve perfect bed leveling every time without any manual adjustments. This printer has a Core XY structure that allows for travel speeds of up to 600 mm/s, ensuring rapid yet precise printing. And with the Flashforge mobile app, you can remotely monitor your print progress, adjust parameters, and receive message alerts. Now this is what I call intelligent printing. The 5M also offers rapid nozzle changes in just 3 seconds, a high-flow 32M3S nozzle for stable high-speed printing, and a quick 35-second warm-up to 200 Celsius. Its dual-sided PEI platform makes print removal easy. And with multiple platform options available, you have the flexibility to choose the one that works best for your project. Plus, with features like dual fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and multiple nozzle sizes, including 0.25, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8 millimeters. This printer can handle a variety of materials while delivering superior print quality every time. Plus, with Flashforge's efficient after-sales support, you can be sure that your investment will bring a smile to your face, a smile that says, "Finally, I really made the right choice."